need to combine and blend two photos like this without using Photoshop? I'll show you a step-by-step on how you can do this by using Canva, and you'll only need 2 or 3 minutes to do this, and it's totally free. This works on PC, Mac, and even your mobile phone, but for this tutorial, I'll be walking you through the steps on a computer so you can see everything clearly. I have Canva opened, and I've created a new design, and you can see that I have a blank page on which I need to add my photo, but since I'll use 2 photos in this video and blend them, then I'll add another page to my project, and then I'll add the first photo at the top page, as well as my second photo, which is this cool nature photo at the bottom page. I will then make the person in my photo located all the way to the left side, because I want the nature photo to appear at the right. So I'll position it like this, but you may want a different position of whatever you're blending, so just take your time and adjust this. The next step is to add a white gradient over our 2 photos. So let's click on the Elements section at the left side, after which I'll search for white gradient, and you're going to grab this element and then position it over the right side. Since I want the person to appear, and he's located on the left side, then the gradient has to go over to the right side. And you're going to duplicate this 3 or 4 times until it becomes white like this. And it should cover 1/3 of the right portion of our photo, or it can cover the half of the photo. But I'll leave it like this. Now we'll want to add this gradient to the bottom photo as well, so let's group this real quickly, then duplicate it and move it to the bottom photo. Since my gradient was on the right side at the top photo, the second photo will have the gradient on the left side like this. So I'll quickly rotate this and then position it so that the 2 photos look something like this. Our job from here is to simply download these 2 photos to our computer. So just tap on Share at the top right, then Download, and you'll want to download these photos separately. When the photos are saved on our computer, we'll have to upload them to the Canva library. And while these are uploading, I'm quickly going to delete the 2 photos and remove the second page because I don't need it anymore. Now let's add the 2 photos onto our page, and this is the part which will take the most of your time, but it will maybe take a minute or 2. I have my second photo added, and the next step is to click on this little transparency button at the top and then lower this slider to maybe 30, 40, or 50%, and you're going to increase or decrease these values until both of the photos look identical in our frame and they can be seen clearly. It should look like this, and we're now left with one last step, where we'll adjust the colors, the contrast, and some other values of our photo. But before we do that, you'll have to download this photo which we had done, so I'll save it on my computer once again, then upload it to my Canva photo library, and remove this from the project because we'll upload our new photo like this. You can see that our photo has muted colors and it looks too white, but we can fix that by clicking on the photo in order to select it, then find this Edit option, which should be located somewhere at the top. Click on Adjust, and you'll have to follow me carefully now. Let's decrease the brightness slider to somewhere around -30 to -50, whatever works for you. You can play with the brightness, but it has to be decreased. A very important thing is to increase the contrast slider to a 100%. Now we'll have to find the saturation slider and increase that also to maybe 20, 30, or 50%, whatever look works for you. These 3 sliders are the most important ones, so you'll want to decrease your brightness, increase the contrast to a 100%, and then play with the saturation a bit. If you want to, increase or decrease other sliders and adjust the colors, vibrance, or other parameters of your photo. But once you do this step, that's essentially it. You had blended 2 photos in Canva, and it only took a couple of minutes. If Canva gives us an easier way of doing this with a single click or something similar, then I'll make sure to update you as soon as possible. But for now, this is the best and fastest way of combining 2 photos in Canva. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.